Alright, still in X12 and still on these columns. This is the final piece, and I want to show you about how these columns resize. So these are two symbols. This one only has a stretch plane on the Z-axis down here. This one has stretch planes on all three axes. You got one here, and then you've got the one on Z down there. The symbol from the Chief Library does not have these X and Y stretch planes, and it probably should. So this one, I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to change the width to 36. And I'm just doing that so you can see what happens. And you'll notice that these stiles on each side get wider. Everything is width-wise is now out of proportion. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Make that 36. And you'll notice how everything over here stays in proportion. Everything expands correctly versus this one. So that's something else you need to work with when you're doing these symbols, that you want to, when you change the size of them. Let's make that 7. And you can see how everything gets squished on the sides, but the top and the bottom all stay the same. If we make this 7, everything almost works. Because there's not enough room. There's kind of a minimum width because there's not enough room for all these parts in the middle.